Hello class 5th, welcome. So today we are going to study about maps, fine. Already in the previous class we have studied about globes and maps, the difference between globes and maps, but today little details में हम करेंगे as in the, let's move on. Maps. Here today we are in this class, you are going to study about maps, uses of maps and types of maps. Okay kids, so let's start. What is a map? Maps is a representation of the earth surface or a part of it on a flat surface. It means that just we know very well about the globe. Okay, so globes को जो globe है, okay, the earth surface, it's a model of the earth का एक model है. So उन्हें हमने paper पे यानी कि we have drawn all that उनका जो it is an image of an earth. Okay, earth surface का एक image है which we have drawn on a paper on a flat surface, that is a map. Okay, so here actually map, it has been ये जो word है, it has been come from the Latin word that is mappo, and mappo का मतलब है napkin. Fine. So yes, and ancient time ये जो map were drawn by Egyptian or Greek. Fine, but उनके भी जो map होते, it was not that much correct. Fine, as because of poor knowledge, but later on जैसे कि discovery होने लगा, due to the discovery कहो, voyages कहो, और scientific knowledge, okay, so later on maps it became precise and accurate. So map represent two-dimensional features, and obviously we know very well about the two-dimensional feature means about the height and weight. So it represents two-dimensional features. And yes, map help us to understand in detail as it shows actual size and shape. So here you will find there are different types of map. आपको maps अगर देखा जाए तो globe ये एक ही होता है. It is only one form, globe. But maps के बारे में अगर हम जानेंगे तो yes, there are many different kinds भी है, types भी है, forms भी है. So it help us to understand in detail, okay, about its size कहो, shape कहो. फाइन. सो वी कैन ऑल्सो हैव हम कंट्रीज का मैप पढ़ सकते हैं, और यू में स्टेट कहो, विलेज, सिटी, एनी. सो दैट्स वाई मैप हेल्प अस टू अंडरस्टैंड और गिव्स मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन इन डिटेल. फाइन. Now here the last point I mentioned, different types of maps are put together and make an atlas. So atlas is one book, it's one kind of book होता है. So उस books में already you will find there are lots of different types of maps. So maps का जो book है उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Atlas कहते हैं. Fine. Okay. So let's do uses of map. In this actually maps कहाँ use होता है? So maps are used in different purposes. अलग अलग work के लिए हम लोग use करते हैं. So if you see, some people use maps to find a route, to find a new way, new place. Okay, उसके लिए map use किया जाता है. Yes. And if you see maps are also used in school. And even some professionals जो होते हैं जैसे कि scholars कहो, scientists कहो, और researchers, they also use different maps in their work. Fine. And map also easily to carry. एक easy है to carry because if you see maps को easily fold किया जा सकता है. It can easily be fold and can carry anywhere. So it easily to carry maps. Let's study about the types of maps. So there are three types of maps: political map, physical map and thematic map. Let's study in detail. Yes, political map. Now political map जो होता है, it shows only about the boundaries. ये boundaries के बारे में दिखाते हैं. Let's see. It shows political boundaries of countries, states, cities, town and villages. So one example already I have just shown you. यहाँ पर India map है. Fine. So can you see properly जो states है, it has been covered by, yes, सबके जो boundary से covered है. So जो political map होता है, it shows political boundaries. Okay, boundaries दिखाते हैं political map. Fine. Okay, so let's study. I have also given little examples to make it more clear. So these are all political maps. So यहाँ पर first can you see very well about the Maharashtra map and world map. Okay, and yes, political one example I have given, it's a blank political map which can you see properly all its boundary. Fine. Let's study the next one, that is physical map. Physical map, it shows physical फीचर्स ऑफ अ प्लेस और अ कंट्री, जैसे कि रिवर्स, माउंटेन. तो हम फिजिकल फीचर्स देखेंगे. फिजिकल जो नेचुरल फीचर्स होते हैं हमारे जो कंट्री के कहो या फिर एनी स्टेट, एनी. सो उसके फिजिकल और नेचुरल फीचर्स होते हैं. टू स्टडी फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग फिजिकल मैप. जैसे कि ये कैसे काइंड ऑफ के मैप्स होते हैं, जस्ट लाइक टू फाइंड आउट रिवर्स, माउंटेन, फॉरेस्ट, lakes, जो भी है. Okay, so this is a physical map to study about physical features. Let's study. So these are the examples. If you see properly, the first example, it shows, it's a physical map of, and it shows about the rivers, many rivers, different जो हमारे country में जो rivers है. Okay, in which direction it flows, it starts from where and it goes in which direction. So that is a physical map of river. The second, okay, it shows about the mountain and peak, highest mountain and peak, where it is located, fine, in India. And the third one, it is a landform. Okay, landform है, how it is, if you can see properly. So जो brown area है, it shows that ये जो है mountain areas है. Okay, so green one, that is a plain. So it shows about the landform. तो ये physical features के बारे में बताते हैं. And the last one, that is a physical blank map है. So when anytime your teacher tells you to bring physical maps, so such kind of map you are going to bring. Okay, without boundaries. So it is a physical map. Let's do the next one, and the last one, that is a thematic map. Thematic जो map होता है, okay, it focus or it gives more information. If you see, specific information देता है about roads, railways, okay, and yes, every rainfall बोलो. Okay, so ये जो maps है, it focus on cultural और physical themes. Let's see. So specific themes के बारे में बताते हैं. Let's study about thematic map. So as I told, it has been divided into two, जैसे कि physical themes and cultural themes. So distribution of population, industries, crops, roads, railways, ये सारे जो है, okay, ये जो maps होते हैं, it based on cultural themes. Let's see, ये जो first map है, it shows about the mineral map. ओके, मिनरल यानी कि जो कॉपर, बॉक्साइट, आयरन, ये जितने भी जो मिनरल्स है, ओके, ये कहाँ पर ज़्यादा इनका प्रोडक्शन होता है, इन विच स्टेट. Okay, so ये first map, it is like that. Second map, it shows about the railway. Okay, railway route, जो railways है, railway map it is. And the third one is all about top 10 rice producing states. Fine students. So ये सारे जो map है, it is a cultural theme, based on cultural themes. Now let's move further. Yes. Okay, so ये जो है distribution of rainfall, temperature, vegetation and climatic condition are also thematic maps, but they based on physical themes. Okay, ये सारे भी thematic maps है, लेकिन ये physical themes पे based है. जैसे कि first map, it shows about the annual rainfall. Okay, so साल भर में rainfall कहाँ पर कितना हुआ था, okay, उनका एवरेज क्या है. सो इट शोज सच काइंड ऑफ मैप्स आर नोन एज अ फिजिकल थीम्स, आर नोन एज अ थीमेटिक मैप्स. सेकेंड मैप, इट शोज अबाउट नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, यस, ट्रॉपिकल एरिया और यस डेजर्ट, ये सारी जो वेजिटेशन के बारे में बता रहे. देन द नेक्स्ट एंड द लास्ट वन, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द टेम्परेचर, एनुअल टेम्परेचर. फाइन, हमारी जो इंडिया में इन डिफरेंट रीजन हैज डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर. सो ये जो है मैप है, इट शोज अबाउट दैट. So like this, ये जो map है, fine, these are known as a thematic map, and hope you understand about every properly about the types of map. Fine, hope you understand about what you mean by map, what are the uses of map, where it is used, and what are the types of map, what are the political map, physical map, and yes, thematic map. Fine students, thank you very much.